My father, in the 70s, he lived in Israel, and he lived in a kibbutz for a while, and he ended up having a fight with, after several years, with one of the kibbutz managers over, of all things, cream cheese with lox. They were going to abolish cream cheese with lox, and they had voted on it, and my dad he really wanted his cream cheese with lox, and he decided that the kibbutz life was just not for him because he couldn't give that up. That was the story he liked to tell. I think there was more to it. But he left the kibbutz, and he decided he was going to start a company to basically repair and distribute Yiddish films. And he went bankrupt. He lost all of his money, and that's why he came back to the United States. It wasn't the right time. Nobody in Israel was really interested in that at that precise moment that he was trying to do that. Of course, now there are a number of organizations who do that work, and wonderfully so. And my dad was very gratified to see that happen later in life. But his timing was sort of off,